Welcome to the future. I'm Mike here to tell you about the ODAYEX6, a digital speedometer display that mounts on the inside of your car's window using these easy to operate suction cups. It has a plug-in that plugs easily into your ODB2 sensor, has an on-off switch at that location. Nice sturdy cord with a single click lets you know that you're plugged in and ready to roll. It also features an on-off switch on the side, as well as a settings button to let you switch different brightness settings, as well as different color settings. Even lets you change between kilometers per hour or miles per hour, depending on where you're doing your drive. Now, we get asked a lot of questions about the ODAYEX6. First one being, is it gonna show up through dark tinted windows? The answer is yes. It shows up great through clear windows, and it shows up wonderfully through dark tinted windows. We've even found with the dark tinted windows, it seems to show up with even more clarity. Now, the second question I get asked often is, Mike, am I gonna get pulled over for having this in my car? The answer is no. This has not been regulated by the Department of Transportation. Now, the most important question, why do you need an ODAYEX6 in your car? First of all, awareness of speed. Just imagine if every vehicle on the road had an ODAYEX6 displaying their accurate speed, bringing awareness to other drivers, it could potentially reduce the number of traffic fatalities. Also, it's great for testing and tuning. Gearheads, motor enthusiasts, this is the product you've been waiting on. Just imagine at the racetrack, your car's going by at 180, even 200 miles per hour, and it's on display for the crowd and the competition to see. Now that's gotta be an adrenaline rush. Click here today to order your ODAYEX6.